Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ICLD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute time frame in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of price action, it's just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I don't think anybody can sit around and say, no, today wasn't a good move. Today, the bulls had a good day. But that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is this the start of something bigger? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that very straightforward. And it all revolves around a level that I've talked about in the past couple of days doing the analysis, and that's right here at 4 cents, the red line. Now, this is where the first update comes into play, and that update is based on a foundational principle in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And especially in this case, and how is this going to help us answer that question? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, price movements that are the start of something bigger, well, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if this is the start of something bigger, it's not going to go back to where it was. That's like a contradiction. I'm assuming, all right, we're all on the same page. So with that in mind, think about 0.04. Any sort of closes below it or worse if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves do. They're going to make progress as time goes by, and I'm, again, just defining quote-unquote progress as 4 cents. Now, what about areas of resistance? At this point, I'm just going to focus on one, and I'll explain that in a second, but this level is right up here at, what is that, 0.046. And it's not shocking to see why the price couldn't quite get through there today. I say that because if you look back here through the history of the chart, you can see a couple times before prices try to get above it and couldn't quite do it. Not saying that 0.046 can't be broken, just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle up around that area. And I'm just going to focus on the one because at this point, in my opinion, top priority is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is now going through some healthy consolidations, building some higher lows, because as long as those higher lows you're putting into place, the long-term chart's going to take care of itself. So no doubt about it, very nice day today. We'll see if the bulls can keep up with this momentum. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.